Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and supporting me. It really means a lot to me. In today's video, we are going to learn about some tips and tricks you all can use to improve your language or your communication process. So, the number one tip which I would say is practice a lot, because all you all must be knowing practice makes a man perfect, and I cannot emphasize on this enough. Practice in every single thing, in every single way you can. You can maybe write it down, speak and practice, do every single thing you can. Number two is, I would suggest read a lot of books about that language which you are learning. For example, if I'm learning English, I'll read a lot of books, or uh, read small short stories that interest me and excite me in the genres that I love. For example, if I love suspense books, then I can read some books which will even incite my interest, and I'll really learn a lot from them. The number three tip which I would say is, watch a lot of movies in that language, because when you watch a lot of movies, you learn about the communication process, the new words and their vocabulary, the pronunciation and everything else, and trust me, it goes a long way. Number fourth tip which I would say is, listen to a lot of songs and podcasts in that language. Listening to songs and the tune really this is something which always stays in our mind. So in that process, you'll always remember the tune, and in this way, your communication process will eventually improve in the long run. The next tip which I would say is, write everything down, note everything down, because when you note everything down, you will always remember it. For example, you're finding a word difficult, so write it down, note it. Okay, fine, this is the word I'm finding difficult to learn. Then search it up multiple times, and then even use it in your sentences, practice it. That is how you'll go a long way. And the last and the most important tip which I would say is, enjoy the process, because trust me, there is nothing like enjoying the process in learning something. Because when you enjoy something, wholeheartedly, that is when you learn that thing more. For example, if I want to learn a language and I'm not interested enough in it, then there's a very slim chance of me actually learning that language. I might just learn it for the heck of passing exams or things like that. But when I do it with all my interest, there is something like and when I really like that language, and it incites interest in me, that is when it will really go a long way, and I'll learn that language. I love to learn that, and I love the journey, and that is how it will always stay in my mind. So I hope you'll like today's video. I'll see you the next time with a very amazing video. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and stay tuned for all my videos, and I'll post twice a week. Thank you. Bye bye.